Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by granting microphone access and enabling voice features in settings. Once done, make sure your app or browser is updated so the voice option appears. You sign in, open settings, then voice and speech and toggle voice access on. That activates the system and links it to your account. This step is essential because without permission or an updated client, the microphone cannot capture audio, and the voice models won't initialize. Now open a chat and tap the microphone icon to begin. You should speak in short, clear phrases at first so the system can auto-adjust input levels. This helps avoid dropped words. Once comfortable, select your preferred voice and language from the selector so responses match tone and pronunciation. As you speak, the interface shows a live transcript. Watching it helps you correct phrasing on the fly and improves the final output quality. To finish, tap Stop or Done and review the generated transcript before sending or editing. You can refine the reply with follow-up voice commands or quick-typed edits for precision. If something goes wrong, no audio, muffled input, or no transcription, first check microphone permissions and physical connections, then restart the app or browser. If problems persist, clear the app cache or toggle voice access off and on. That simple reset resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.